Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Teams error we weren't able to connect sign in and we'll try again. First method SI right click Teams shortcut, click file location. Right click Teams, click Troubleshoot Compatibility. Click Try Recommended Settings. Click Next. Second method is right-click Teams shortcut, click Open File Location. Right-click Teams, click Properties. Click Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Right-click Run as administrator. Third method is right-click Start button, click Run. Type %of data %Microsoft. Click Buy, check hidden items. Delete Teams folder, if any error end task Teams. Fourth method is click Start Settings. Click Apps. Type Teams, select Microsoft Teams, click Uninstall. Open browser. Type Teams download in browser search bar. Click Download for desktop. Open downloaded file. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.